Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on or off glide typing on any Vivo phone. Now, if you want to enable glide typing on your smartphone, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. From here, just tap on glide typing and enable glide typing. Now once you do that, just go back. Now from here, if you glide your fingers on the keyboard, you can type by gliding your fingers on the screen, just like that. Now, if you want to disable this feature, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. From here, just tap on glide typing and disable this option. Now, if you go back, you can see that we have successfully disabled glide typing on our smartphone. And this is how you can turn on or off glide typing on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.